Hello and welcome to another update video about Travala, one of my favorite, I would call them hidden champion cryptocurrencies. It's actually one of the cryptos that haven't performed that well this year, and that's pretty much down to the less people traveling and so on. If you've seen my previous videos about Travala, I think I made my first one when it was around 250, so it hasn't really increased a lot, still a bit of a gain. But overall, there were certainly profits to take. There were always these phases of exaggeration. Yeah, there's a lot of bit of pump and dump sometimes happening on Travala. You can see that here. This is a 4-hour chart. You have all of these long wicks here. This is, by the way, the KuCoin exchange, but you can see the same on Binance. So there's a lot of pump and dump going on sometimes. So these are always opportunities to potentially take some profit if you can manage it and then enter lower again. Don't exactly know why that's the case with Travala though. I would really need to look into it. But what we can see, I think we are currently forming a cup and handle. To be honest, it's a bit of an odd cup and handle. This is a 4-hour chart. It looks better on the daily, but on the daily you can't really see the cup and handle. That's why I show it to you on the 4-hour chart. So this, what you can see here, this is one of these pump and dumps that I just mentioned. Think it away, you know, don't just imagine it wasn't there. Then you have a beautiful cup and handle forming, because this is actually only a wick on the daily. Yeah, so on the 4-hour, yeah, it's there on the 4-hour as a body, but it's actually, I would disregard it in terms of support and resistance, because it really was just pump and dump. We have a critical point we are approaching at the moment, and that is the point of, well, first of all, there's one point which is $3.02. So as you can see, we came down again. Just disregard that. I just put a triangle about over it. Let me just so you can just disregard all of that. So let's just say we came down here when we hit the $3.10 level, came down and formed this handle, and then we couldn't get above $3.02 anymore. So we're now just approaching the $3.02 level again. You can see that we're making higher lows here. So approach that horizontal $3.10 resistance level in huge steps and making higher lows basically. So indicating the sellers can't push the price lower, and also from that major low here to that low we've got a higher low, just indicating that actually from here to there was we made a high low already, and now we've made a much higher low, right? So it's looking good for Travala in my opinion. And again, it's one of those cryptos I just want to make you aware of before a potential breakout happens. Now, what could happen, honestly, that we don't manage to break through the $3.10 and then maybe drop once more, maybe hit that support line again. That is a realistic possibility, which is why I would encourage people to work with a stop loss, which you could set at somewhere below that low here. Yeah, maybe at 290, but maybe to be on the safe side, maybe at 285. Yeah, if the plan is to get in now, I would certainly set it below that low. You could also set it below this low here, yeah, if you're prepared to lose a bit more, but I think it's less likely that we drop below this low again. Yeah, so again, if you do trading, I would always recommend using stop losses, but it's looking like, you know, we're forming a cup in hand. It looks like we'll get through the 302 level, and it looks like we could approach the $3.10 level again. And looking at cup and handle, I just want to compare it with the graph, yeah, because the graph, we made that same move pretty much in the last few days. So you've got that cup here, yeah, cup, got the cup here, and handle, and that broke out already after the first attempt, yeah, of the handle. You can pretty much see here we had already one attempt. Well, that failed, but now we're making another one. Okay, and as I always say, cryptos follow each other, so there's no guarantee, but again, in this current bull run, various cryptocurrencies have followed each other, and the alt season isn't even there. Just want to make you aware of this opportunity. I think Travala is great long term anyway. Travala, I made a video about Travala probably a week ago, and it was lower. I think we were, no, I can't remember where we were. Maybe we were higher, I don't know, but it's pretty much the noise that's going on here. But overall, I think it's starting to look bullish. Now I think we formed the low here somewhere, you know, and we're on our way up. And again, some other cryptos are already pretty much up here, you know, and Travala just hasn't performed in the last few weeks. And again, that's just because of the, you know, less people using hotels, you know, it's just less people traveling. So I think as we go out of the current situation, what's going on in the world, more people will start booking hotels, you know, holidays, and possibly use blockchain for that and use cryptos for that. So I think it's a great opportunity to have it in your portfolio. Again, no financial advice. I've got it in my portfolio. I bought some more in the last few days at I think 290 or something. So I really like Travala, and it's something that I constantly add to my portfolio. Not that much though, yeah, not that much, but it's something I want to have because it's got quite a unique use case. So just want to mention the 302 level that we're currently approaching, and then we could head to $3.10. And if we're lucky, we're going to break the $3.10 level, and that can take us to nice levels. I think certainly here, what we approach here is that high that we marked here before. We actually dropped at around 350. I would say, you know, it's certainly achievable in the short term if we can get there and break the $3.10 level. All right, just want to make you aware of that again before actually we've got a breakout, so that you know we've got a clear pattern here forming, ascending triangle, cup and handle as well, and we've got a $3.50 target level in my opinion. And there we go. So that's that, and hope you liked the video. If you did, please smash the like button, and if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, then please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.